According to electrical codes, recessed lights installed in a shower do not necessarily require ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection if they are specifically listed for use in damp locations. The primary concern is to ensure that any electrical fixture used in a potentially wet or damp environment is designed and rated to withstand those conditions. If a recessed light fixture carries a listing indicating that it is suitable for damp locations, it means that the fixture has been tested and certified to operate safely in environments where moisture is present. However, it is crucial to differentiate between damp and wet locations, as the requirements may change based on the level of exposure to water. A damp location is defined as an area that is subject to moderate degrees of moisture, such as some basements, some barns, and covered porches. A wet location, on the other hand, is an area subject to saturation with water or other liquids, such as vehicle washing areas and unprotected locations exposed to the weather. In the context of showers, the area immediately inside the shower enclosure or stall is generally considered a wet location. For lighting fixtures installed directly within the shower enclosure, more stringent requirements typically apply, and GFCI protection may be necessary. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides detailed guidelines on the installation of electrical equipment in various environments. It is imperative to consult the latest version of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance. Local codes may have additional requirements or restrictions that go beyond the NEC. When installing recessed lighting in a shower, firstly verify the listing of the fixture to ensure it is suitable for damp locations. The fixture should be clearly marked with this designation. Secondly, ensure that the installation complies with all relevant NEC and local codes. This may involve consulting with a qualified electrician to ensure proper wiring, grounding, and placement of the fixture. Thirdly, consider the specific location of the fixture within the shower area. If the fixture is located where it is likely to be directly exposed to water, it may be prudent to use a fixture listed for wet locations and to provide GFCI protection, even if it is not strictly required by code. Fourthly, GFCI protection is designed to protect against electrical shock by detecting imbalances in the electrical current. When an imbalance is detected, the GFCI trips, cutting off power to the circuit. This protection is particularly important in wet or damp environments where the risk of electrical shock is higher. Fifthly, it is always a good practice to err on the side of caution when it comes to electrical safety. If there is any doubt about the appropriate type of fixture or the need for GFCI protection, consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess the specific conditions and provide recommendations based on their expertise and knowledge of local codes. Sixthly, proper grounding is essential for all electrical fixtures, including recessed lights. Ensure that the fixture is properly grounded to provide a safe path for electrical current in the event of a fault. Improper grounding can increase the risk of electrical shock. Seventhly, use only approved wiring methods and materials for the installation. The wiring should be appropriate for the environment and should be installed in accordance with the NEC and local codes. Damaged or improperly installed wiring can create a fire hazard or increase the risk of electrical shock. Eighthly, regularly inspect the recessed lighting fixtures to ensure they are in good condition. Check for any signs of damage, such as cracks, water leaks, or corrosion. If any damage is found, repair or replace the fixture immediately. Ninthly, consider using light-emitting diode, or LED, fixtures, as they are more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan compared to traditional incandescent or fluorescent bulbs. LED fixtures also generate less heat, which can reduce the risk of fire. Tenthly, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and maintenance of the recessed lighting fixtures. The manufacturer's instructions will provide specific guidance on the proper installation techniques and any special considerations for the particular fixture. In summary, while recessed lights listed for damp locations do not necessarily require GFCI protection when installed in a shower, it is essential to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and to take appropriate precautions to ensure electrical safety. Consulting with a qualified electrician is highly recommended to ensure that the installation is done correctly and safely. Furthermore, it is important to understand the difference between damp and wet locations as defined by the National Electrical Code. A damp location is an area that is protected from weather and not subject to saturation with water or other liquids but subject to moderate degrees of moisture. Examples include some basements, some barns, and covered porches. A wet location is an area subject to saturation with water or other liquids, such as vehicle washing areas and unprotected locations exposed to the weather. For fixtures within the shower itself, it is recommended to consider them wet locations and treat them accordingly. Always check and adhere to local electrical codes, as these can vary from place to place and may have stricter requirements than the National Electrical Code. Ground fault circuit interrupters are crucial safety devices designed to protect individuals from electrical shock. They work by monitoring the current flowing in a circuit. If there is an imbalance between the outgoing and returning current, it indicates that some current is leaking to ground, potentially through a person. The GFCI quickly interrupts the power supply, preventing serious injury. GFCI protection is typically required in areas where there is a high risk of water exposure, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. It is also often required for outlets that serve countertop surfaces and areas near sinks. Ensuring proper grounding is another critical aspect of electrical safety. Grounding provides a low-resistance path for fault current to flow back to the source, allowing the circuit breaker or fuse to trip and to energize the circuit. This helps to prevent electrical shock and reduce the risk of fire. All electrical fixtures and appliances should be properly grounded in accordance with the National Electrical Code and local codes. When selecting recessed lighting for a shower, firstly, choose fixtures that are specifically listed for use in damp or wet locations, depending on their proximity to the shower head. Secondly, consider the light output and color temperature of the fixtures. LED fixtures are a popular choice due to their energy efficiency and long lifespan. Thirdly, ensure that the fixtures are compatible with the existing wiring and electrical system. Fourthly, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and maintenance. Fifthly, consider the aesthetic appeal of the fixtures and choose a style that complements the bathroom decor. Sixthly, regularly inspect the fixtures for any signs of damage or deterioration. Seventhly, if you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult with a qualified electrician. They can provide expert advice and ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. Eighthly, remember that electrical codes and requirements can change over time, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest regulations. Ninthly, always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to prevent electrical shock and fire. Tenthly, never attempt to perform electrical work if you are not qualified or experienced. Electrical work should only be performed by licensed electricians or qualified individuals. In addition to the above, it is worthwhile noting that some jurisdictions may require permits for electrical work, including the installation of recessed lighting. Check with your local building department to determine if a permit is required. Obtaining a permit ensures that the work is inspected by a qualified inspector and that it complies with all applicable codes and regulations. Using a qualified electrician not only ensures compliance with the codes but also provides peace of mind knowing that the installation is safe and reliable. A qualified electrician has the knowledge, skills, and experience to properly install electrical fixtures and wiring. They can also identify potential hazards and provide recommendations to improve the safety of the electrical system. Remember that electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when working with electricity. In summary, while GFCI protection is not strictly required for recessed lights listed for damp locations installed in a shower, it is always prudent to exercise caution and consider the specific circumstances of the installation. Consulting with a qualified electrician and adhering to all applicable codes and regulations will help to ensure a safe and reliable electrical system. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector for specific recommendations and to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations.